Lana here from the Bureau with your national weather forecast for tomorrow, Thursday the 18th of June. Now tomorrow we'll continue to watch the progression of this slow moving rain band and cold front moving in from the central states and out towards the east, with that rain even extending through to northern Australia. Now tomorrow is going to be a particularly wet day for Victoria and Tasmania. Ahead of this frontal system, we continue to see warm northerly winds with some record warm mornings in store for the southeast. Behind that system, we have a secondary trough moving through, bringing some shower activity along the south coast. And out in the west, this high pressure ridge will bring cool and clear conditions. Let's now take a look state by state, and we'll start in Queensland with some patches of morning fog through inland parts of the east. We do start to see wet weather develop with this rain band moving in from the southwest. That will bring some rain and storms to an area southwest of about Mount Isa in the north and through to around Cunnamulla in the south. Along the east coast, we continue to see some isolated shower activity, tending a little bit more scattered further north. For Brisbane tomorrow, 23 degrees and a partly cloudy day. Into New South Wales, well, it will be a warm start to the day. We could see some record warm June mornings through inland parts. We then start to see our rain increasing from the far west and across the southern plains. That will gradually make its way further east throughout the day. But east of the main ranges, it will remain dry and it will also remain rather warm or mild. Sydney will see 23 degrees tomorrow, making it the 12th day in a row above 20 degrees. And for Canberra, 7 tomorrow morning, warming up to 17 with some possible later showers. Into Victoria with some widespread rainfall as this cold front moves through, starting in the west and moving towards the east. However, that rainfall through Gippsland will be more isolated. We're also looking at an increase in winds tomorrow with the passage of this system, with damaging wind gusts up to 100 kilometres per hour, developing just about the alpine ranges in the evening. For Melbourne, it will be another warm start, 15 degrees, and then 19 tomorrow afternoon. We're likely to see some of those gusty conditions and could see a few showers. Into Tasmania, which will see rainfall increase as that cold front approaches throughout the day. In this humid air mass, also we have warmer than average temperatures in northerly flow. So that rain will increase particularly about the north and the west, with showers tending more isolated through the southern and eastern parts. For Hobart, 18 degrees tomorrow with some possible showers. For South Australia, this main rain band will be moving out towards the eastern states throughout the morning period. However, we do have this follow-up low and trough, bringing some shower activity from the southwest coast and then towards the Eyre Peninsula and even towards Adelaide later in the day. We could also see some thunderstorms mainly about the coastal fringe. For Adelaide, it will be a cooler day tomorrow and we could see a few showers. We'll see a top of 15. For Western Australia, this southerly flow will continue to bring some isolated shower or drizzle activity, tending a little bit more inland as well through the southeast. However, for other parts, it will be generally dry and settled. We'll see another cool morning with areas of fog and frost inland. For Perth tomorrow, 5 degrees in the morning, warming up to just 17. Up in the Northern Territory, we're starting to tap into this tropical moisture as this rain band moves through. It could bring some rainfall totals up to 20 millimetres through central and southern parts. Further north though, we could still see some showers, but generally a bit lighter. For Darwin tomorrow, 31 degrees, and we could see just a light shower. Further south though, in the lee of this trough, we're starting to see some much cooler temperatures moving in. Alice Springs will just see 20 degrees tomorrow and some shower activity. That's all for our national weather forecast. If you'd like some more information, please visit us at the Bureau's website, app or social media. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.